Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a GIF using Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now in here I'm gonna create a new project and upload my picture or video that I want to create a GIF of. So here I have created a new project and also added the picture. Now in here you can do a lot of stuff with your video or audio. For example, you can add some stickers if you click on elements and add some different shapes as well. You can animate the picture. Just click on the picture, click on animate and select the animation. I will go for, let's say, tumble. You can also add some text. Here it is. You can add a heading, a subheading. You can also use some pre-made designs by Canva. For example, I will just use a subheading and add some text. I will go for GIF. You can also animate this text and just click on the text and swipe left right here at the bottom and click on animate. Now in here select an animation. I will go for, let's say, the clarify one. And after you're done with all this styling and stuff, click on this download button at the top right corner right here, and in here click on download and select the file type as GIF, and in here click on download, and that GIF will be downloaded. Now in order to do that to a video, you can do that as well. For example, let me just upload a video. So here is my old gameplay of me playing football. So I'm just gonna make a GIF on that. I've already added that GIF text right there. You can trim the video as well. Just select the video and in here look for this scissors icon right here, click on it, and in here you can adjust the video length according to your needs and desires. I would go for, let's say, 1.9 seconds. You can do the same stuff you did with the picture, and after you're done with that, click on download again, download, select the file type as GIF and download it. So that is how you can make a GIF using Canva.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a GIF using Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now after you uploaded the picture, you can do a lot of stuff with that picture. For example, you can animate the picture. Just click on it and select an animation. I will go for, let's say, baseline right here. You can also add some text for your GIF. Just go to the text window and add a text. You can also go for some pre-made designs right here. I will go for, let's say, I add a subheading. I will go for my own GIF, and after I'm done with that, I'm just gonna place it over my picture. You can animate the text as well. Just select the text and click on animate right here. Select animation for that as well. You can also add some other things to your GIF, for example, shapes and graphics as well. And after you're done with customizing your GIF, click on share right here, and in here scroll down, click on download and select the file type as GIF. Just scroll down here and look for GIF and click on it, and in here click on download. So a GIF will be created. Now you can do the same for videos as well. Just upload a video. So here I have uploaded my recorded gameplay. Now you can adjust the video size as well. Just select the video and click on this scissors option right here. Just says trim, click on it and adjust the video length from here. You can keep it as much as you want. Go for, let's say, 3.7 seconds. You can do the same with the video as you did with the photo. For example, you can add text, elements, animated and stuff. And after you're done with that, click on done, click on share, go to downloads, select the file type as GIF and download it. So that is how you can create a GIF on Canva.